I have got some great news. Where I live, you can only go out riding if there is a necessary reason to do so. I've got some documents that need delivering to the city, so that's a good enough reason to go out riding. So I'm excited. Let's just change into our motorcycle gear. Before I leave, a big thank you to all of these people that guessed the movie quote of the previous video right. If you want your comment to be in the next video, just stick to the end, guess the movie quote, and your comment will be in the next video. Alright, so I'm still waiting for the microphone for the GoPro, so I'm not gonna vlog much while riding. I'm just gonna enjoy being back outside. It's the first time since the lockdown started, so let's do this. Ja, maar ik kan binnen 2 minuten vertrekken.
Oh, nee,
ik heb hier op kot gezeten, dus ik wou hier gewoon even...
Die van mij stond al jaren op een trottoir.
Ja, ik ben blij dat ik eens een keer naar hier kwam komen. Ik moest documenten komen brengen, maar hij is thuis, dus ik had een reden.
Doe ook al een week in de Maurice Turken, want
ja.
Die is al iets specialer dan die van hij, denk ik. Die van hij is nog een goed interneven ongeveer.
Ja, een maand denk ik, 2 maanden.
Staat genoeg in.
Toekomstmuziek.
Ja, dat is toekomst.
Okay. Just had a interesting conversation with a guy about my motorcycle. He just looked at it and he came to me and he talked to me about what am I planning to do with the motorcycle and everything. I just decided to stop here because this is where I lived when I went to college, and it's on the way back, so I thought I'd just step off the bike 2 minutes, and then there's a huge park over there, Parkspoor Noord in Antwerp. It's a really famous park, really big, but it's empty now, of course, so let's go back. Sit. Dansen. Yeah. Cool. Just like that, I'm back home. So that was a fun little tour. I think I rode about an hour and a half, something like that. Managed to deliver the documents to where it needed to be. I didn't see any police, like none whatsoever, which is weird because Antwerp is a big city and you would think there's a lot of police there. Actually, there was one police behind me, but that wasn't in Antwerp, that was in the suburb. So I know it's not the most exciting thing to see me just drive without any commentary, but the mic's not here yet, so I can't really do much. Before this video ends, I just want to give a big thank you to all of the subscribers, because I have 150 subscribers in 1 month. It's way more than I thought it would happen in 1 month. So a big thank you, and also my previous video got 700 views in 1 day, so it's really surprising how much views that I get just by starting. Really glad with that. I really enjoy making these videos. I'm glad people are enjoying them, and some people are really thanking me because I talk English and because of the things that I say. They say it's useful, like the accessory video. A lot of people said it was useful for them, so I'm really happy with that. I'll keep making as much videos as I can. I try to upload 2 times a week, like the last month have been Mondays and Thursdays. I'm gonna try to maintain that, but now with the lockdown it's not that easy to just go around and ride and shoot fun videos and go to awesome places and buy a drone and do all that stuff. There are some ideas that I have that I can do without writing. One of them is by telling you guys what I'm doing when I can ride. That just has to do with motorcycles, like watching other people's videos or planning trips or doing stuff like that. Obviously I'm making videos, so that's also something that keeps me busy. So if you guys have any suggestions that I can do for a video while on lockdown, let me know. I'll be happy to do them, so just let me know. Right, and then I'll end this video with the next movie quote. Guess away, and your comment will be in the next video if you get it right. I have a bad feeling about this.